First of all, mumetuita meeting sisi na wazazi wetu. Mkasema meeting ni ya 9 am. Number 1. Mulifika saa ngapi? Probably you don't expect me to ask such a question, but these are the people that you elected you for you to serve them. I may seem very foolish in front of you considering I am very young. Guga hajakula kitu tangu asubuhi. Tumeleta wazazi wetu ni wagonjwa, wengine wako na pressure, wengine wako na diabetes, wengine wako na depression. Mr. Chelili, nilisoma na watoto wako 3. Nataka nikuulize swali moja. Unajua dawa ya depression? Do you know any antidepressant? You don't. Nilisoma na Beryl B. Ako UK saa hii tukiongea. Nilisoma na Bernard ako Australia. Nilisoma na Bill ako Australia. Tulisoma primary. Mr. Barorot, tukikuwa meeting ulituambia kuna watoto wako wengine wako majuu. Ukasema ati ukaambia wa parents. Parents, si hao watoto wote ni wetu. Si wote ni wetu. Ako wapi mtoto wa Barorot hapa asimame? Ako wapi wa B? Ako wapi mtoto wa Mandago? No leader here. Now you have decided we are going to personalize things. Mr. Barorot, unajua dawa ya depression? Do you know any antidepressant of your mind? Any antidepressant? No. Mr. Mandago, any antidepressant? Do you know any antidepressant? No. Very good. Kuna students hapa wako on antidepressants. I want you to go, just for information's sake, muende mugoogle hata dawa ya depression ni nini. Some of us are on antidepressants. Nilimaliza shule 2021. I graduated from Kabarak University. Your daughter graduated from Riara University. Probably it does not even move you. I congratulated her, nikamwambia, hey, you finished bana, congratulations. So what is next? Akaniambia she doesn't know, she's going to tell me. That is, after that we didn't talk. Now, you have given her a head start of some months. We don't know whether you sold land, whether you secured a loan, whether you sold your house. You have given your children head starts. This government of His Excellency our President was for the hustlers. In fact, jana niliongea na Mr. Kimutai, jana na juzi, nilikuwa Marura. I was selling cups of porridge and uji. I am a graduate. I was supposed to go to Canada. I am selling uji, and that is kazi ni kazi, and that's okay, but I am selling uji. Your daughter, probably she's earning her euros in the UK right now. Of course, mtu akienda majuu lazima endeshe gari, that will go without saying. Hatuna story mingi. We did not give you permission to use our money to pay for other students. We do not really want to know the many stories. Mr. Barorot, in fact, Mr. Chepses said the truth. You are very mean with the truth. Very mean. You will lie to us day in, day out. I don't know whether you have been sent by your bosses. It is okay if you will follow me today after. In fact, that I don't have anything to live for. So you can just send your goons if they go and kill me. It's okay. At least I will not have killed myself. So I am going to tell you the truth. You are very mean with the truth. You keep lying. You smile at us with a very smooth tongue and very soft face that looks like it is very innocent, but you keep on lying and lying.